her friend. She make one of her friend them text me. Now I don't know which one of her friend them, but I can screenshot the message and show you. She make one of her friend them text me, and the friend had diss me, dirty girl. Why you feel Neil? What? She never did say even Neil. Kenny. And me alone, me know what's called Neil. Live up on her life, I realize that Kenny she called. So she has said, dirty girl, why you feel like Kenny want you? Think about it and text back my friend, blah blah blah, waga blah blah blah, waga blah blah blah. I say, what? I not even answer she. I want hard black me girl. You see me? Then know that trick lick my head. You see me? Me screenshot it. Me did screenshot it and send go give my friend. So me go post it for my story. So you go see where your friend name. No worry. I'm tell you me I was have my receipt them, you know. Me screenshot it. So anyways now, I get chip. I post up the videos them. I post up the videos them. I post up the screenshot them. I now post them in a one way to say me a this nail. You see me? I never post it in a one way to say me a this nail. I post all of them so she and her friends them can see say Neil at one girl when rate 2. You understand? I'm gonna ask somebody on the live. I'm not even gonna say me never post them for Neil for disrespect Neil, because up till today they have me not disrespect Neil. Up till today, you know, hear me say no lie. Or him ever beg like him blind. Talk truth. That's one thing. From this argument you start, me never go on live and say or him do this or all no. Up till now, me not disrespect Neil. Up till now. You see me? The girl, which is wrong for go text her anyway, put me in another cussing thing, yeah. Understand, I'ma accept that. But when I post them for the girls see. You see me? Anyways, no, what happened after she see? Neil, I don't know how she start answer. She did she must say people are sending me some screenshot of things where she has sent screenshot of things where she have post, and then like today now she go live. Long story cut short. First thing, Neil disrespect you. You see me? Neil disrespect you. I'm gonna tell you why him disrespect you, and you friends still are idiot. That's why the people them end up cuss up on the line. Me I get in every little details, you know. You friends still are idiot, and you friends still are make Neil disgrace you and style you. Not in a one manner to say, you know, me no want you in a one manner like this now. You should have never make your man have to come on live and it come out of your mouth for asking say, who you are? What you say? I'm not argue, you know. As me say, me I talk a legit thing right there, so. One might tell me mad, but tonight me not mad. Tonight me I talk with sense. You Francilla should have never go live and make this come out of your mouth for ask your man who him choose. Like the you know Neil. Your time now, you know. You know Neil. What say you love your woman? I remember say woman weak to man in a one sense, like what even say woman weak to man? Him say him having personal woman. Say you know say deep down in love her, and you know say deep down if anything for go and she say and a she pick and a she just go always do it, and he not left no girl for she. You see me? Yo, when you all of that should even go live for your woman even a question if I ask you, oh you choose the one look disgraceful per live. Matter as fact, none of you should even answer me or pay me no mind for it. Who know I want big bunch of antness. Just a bite upon themselves and I go on the most way. And nobody not feel like I jealous, me jealous. Because you see my mind turned from Neil from the very first night when I go look on her page and I black in the night and just say me done this so. So nobody feel like I jealous, me jealous or me need him back or anything like that. I just the truth. If you know say you love your woman, you should have go text your woman and say B, deep down you know say you are number one. You know that. Look how long, them say them there for 2 years. Look how long me and you there. You know my mother like that. Me know your mother like that. And we know the bond we will have. So nobody go pan life go argue with no girl. You hear me wrong for and you have to understand say me a man. Sorry, say this reach so far where the girl have to go live and make you look away or disrespect you. If she want to forgive him, a fear problem that, but him as a man should have stand up and say, babes, I am that wrong. But deep down, I know say you're my number one. You know that. Everybody know that. So nobody answer on IG. If nobody text you, you know you probably open the message and see. But you don't need to reply to nobody message. You don't need to answer nobody on live. That girl when you're van, no PR, no mind. No like her things, no comment. When you go live, you ignore, not make no bother you. You as a man should have sit down and tell your woman that. I ain't not even have to tell her that neither. She's so feisty. Why she as a wife? Cause you must know when you're a wife. If it reach to a fuck when you're a boy there for 2 years. Mother know you and everybody know you and you live same place and you sleep over, you do over there for weeks and months or something. You must know which part you stand. You should have not even come live and a cuss over man and attack over man and have the right to look upon your man where you own, you know. Your man where you own, you should have never come live, come ask how him shoes. Cause you're supposed to know so deep down you're number one. You see what me I say? You see what me you get what me I say? Then now as a mother, me love my in-law and the in-law take the money and the in-law this and the in-law that. Then you know if you say the in-law go look at next girl for marrying. You think I just it ends? So it not ends, so there is chapter movie where you're watching it done. This is a series. Enough series there behind it, baby love. So mommy we just get started. Francilla in just a start. Cause remember I at him up now, you know. Cause you know say I have enough yamid girl out there like myself where I go text him and look him no care. Oh you see the argument here go on is just the truth. No care. Oh you see argument I go on right here so enough girl. Me make DM already so far me now ask me I tell you. I look at me give him on the media me now ask you have whole heap on yamid girl out there. Where I go text him. Whole heap of them they might not text him right now and look him you know. But just wait till later on, wait till all done in July and them things there. Or wait till next month when the argument fade away and all of this drama on IG fade away and nobody not really too remember about it. He might go get somebody else who can give him something and the girl go argue with it, go cause an argument again. And the argue will cause again. We are go him go there right back with you and the mother go come cuss and it just go continue. Because remember it's a series. Remember it's a series. I remember this is Jamaica. You get what I say? So you see when them dip on live and feel like say me, Ivany, would have come live since night and kill up myself and cause me nah go do it. Me nah go do it. Me nah go do it. Me come and me talk nice. And our mother for go. Girl, you have to in a decent house and talk to me. Decent house where your bed spread good, girl. You have to in a decent house where your bed spread good and your place have to just clean up and nice before you can argue with a pretty girl like me. You can't in a full cuba and still argue with me. You're in a one cub and me and eat the whole of the fowl them. Why you don't feed your fowl them? I'm glad no found it upon the live. Yes, not over him. Why you don't feel for them? Why you don't feel feed you, fold them. Look how girl nice and comfortable and look fresh up and live and talk. The girl in the life, me know say half of you not hear nothing good when they say pan life. Is either somebody can't hear pan that the under. Is either that the somebody the music the too loud. And as far as me can see, it look like the mother did a foot nail or the friend them in the background. You better check friend silly, you better check your friend them. And every laugh I laugh, and every low talk I talk, and every friend I defend your friend. What me say? Repeat what you say. And every laugh I laugh, and every friend I back you and your man I back it if. They're depend live. I mean not hear nothing about your mother and your friend in your background, and it's such a disgrace for no say the loudest voice we are this a 17-year-old so-called matey is your mother. That's supposed to be the last person voice we're supposed to hear and a cuss in our house pan the live. The only loud talking you're supposed to in the house and when your mother said you're 17-year-old come off of the live. No life in my house a cuss but no man in my house. Me no want you're not supposed to in my house pan live as a 17-year-old. You have your man, yes, I understand. But you're not supposed to be pan live and your mouth louder than film in your talk about man and oh man send money for buy fan. That is not a mothership. That me no know what kind of mother that. Me no know what kind of mother that. And then she has said when me no dash way. How much me dash way? My mother would have never. Me I go tell my mother everything will go on and I go hear the voice note what my mother have to say. What you say? I tell my mother what going on. But just when I tell my mother, you go see the two different sides. As them say, two different people, two different mother. You see, she come on her life like she grow in a good family, but she come from dirt. You see it on the life. When you see the little girl picture, or one little self what she did take care of. I said, Mama, the girl is nice, like she come from a good family, she come from dirt. And look at me. Look how me nice and pretty now. I come from a good home and I have some dirty ways that I never expect of any come from such a good home. And that's just reality. I come from a good home, decent people. Decent people, and you would wonder oh me bad son, oh me come so. Her mother coming like them blood. Her aunt, me don't know so much of them in a one cup. It coming like ants and they just breed up like 40 leg. Them just breed up. Come here more than one girl I say mommy. Them just breed up like 40 leg. And like no space in the house, them just breed up and stuck one place can't move. They just breed up. As me I say people, I never come from live and disrespect nobody. I just come to make myself clear see how worthless people them. And it happened to you up on one time, believe me. Say, and him mother talk it too. Him just a young, him just a grow. So it's just the start. As me I said, take care of yourself and I come off of the live, yeah? And that's just that. I wish you all best you and Neil. I wish the Neil not forgot tell one next girl say you me did pick. And I wish and I pray that Neil doesn't go on live with our next girl and tell her and then you have to go say Neil again. Who you choose? Me pray so you not forgot through them something there again, baby love. Me pray for you. You understand? I just come to make myself clear. And what next thing again, me hear everybody I say Neil left me. Me not get it wrong. Me just go my ways. You see me? Me not want to not get it wrong. If you say man left me. Man left me. A man gone on life gone see him choose that girl. A man Neil never left me. I ask Neil for himself. And messages there and proof. Neil never left me. But just see things and say me I go my way and me just go my way. And I just say it go. You understand? I mean never know say son Neil old. Neil never tell me say I'm 18 years old. Neil never tell me say I'm 18 years old. You understand? I wish them all the luck. I'm a pray say Francilla mother will one day sit down and look in herself and go watch back the live and listen it and see say it not sound good as a mother. It not sound good as a mother. Hope one day can sit down and picture it in your head and say, you know, say, I wish you were like Sheba. Oh God. I wish you were like Sheba. Bad to bad, me have to rate that woman there. Me rate her talking for her life since night. Me rate the woman talking. Why you couldn't stay like Sheba? Sheba come live and Sheba never disrespect nobody and Sheba say, me know say Neil there with him woman long time and Neil love him woman and that, and she texts me and me make sure know say not involve me, and Vanny never disrespect me more than she said she cuss off Neil, and she even say when she younger she tell her that boy that not coming like nothing to her. But what she do? She tell me say, me never did it when you when time you and Neil attack, and me never did it when you and Neil good. So now that you and Neil fall out, I don't want to be there. Why you couldn't act like the woman? The woman sounds so nice and mature in my her life, but you know to bombard. Don't tell me I got dead for hungry. You know no style, no? You know no style. Who not gonna know? Don't that me gone and no money to give Neil. Think about what you are going to do, chef. Because so our Neil right now, me can't tell us a Neil that digging her Instagram right now for smile if you give something. And baby love nobody now look for you know. What you gonna do, dirty gula? Why you do it? Why you come on the live and act like that? You should have never do it. Yeah, your daughter would have alright come in. I know say Neil alright and Neil. I know say Una alright. But no. You know, hungry like a dog now. So you're gonna send me from the unforget smart days to come man. I say someone say I want some. I say someone sick. I don't want part road so. Yeah guys, so as I say I eat that, I don't need to say 20 and there is nothing else more to say. After today now, you know I don't need to come back, come live, come send nothing or I can't talk trouble and no one throw shades and you know. Yes, sister, I delete my stuff them already and it just done right and stuff. It just done. You see me? So enjoy on yourself and big up on yourself, you know, Vanny love on you see me, yeah? Remember, said Neil done confirm say and get the $15,000 from me. And remember, I tell Uno say me send him the $15,000. There is no more confirmation on the need for no. I not post about anything. The reason why me even a save the live here, have enough people hear my part of story and still go on. But me no need to go show nothing, and me no need to go post up nothing. Everything is